Hello everyone, I'm Alessandra Garcia. I'm the founder of Orsetto Interiors. Just wanted to pop in and share a little behind the scenes of how interior designers work and how you can also do little things on your own. So I'm going to share with you some design tips. So to start, here it is. For example, this piece of textile. If you see, it's got some pattern on it, some colors, and it's just beautiful combination. And so based on this, for example, let's say a client comes in and asks, oh, I want this in my room, let's say a living room, and they want it to, like, they want me to put it all together and make it like a cohesive design. So what comes next? So for me, for example, I would have to choose like the sofa that I would want this to be upholstered in. And you can get like little cards like this when you go to the stores. This one, for example, is from sofa.com, and it comes with the measurements and everything. And so it gives you an idea of the quantity that you would need, and also this, depending on the space that you have available, which size is best for you. So once you've decided which one fits best in the room, you can then also design around it, if this were the inspiration and the starting point, and then choose, for example, the floors. Would like a lighter tone or a darker tone work? So, I mean, by putting it together, you can kind of decide if you want a more elegant look or if you want something lighter, depending on the light, and if the room is north facing or south facing, and also what you're looking for, if you want something cozy, if you want something light. And then, for example, there's a lot of like options for wallpaper. So how do you choose them? The best way to do is to put them against the other materials that you've decided on. For example, in this case, I decided on the lighter shade of the floor, and with this upholstery, then I've narrowed it down to these three tones. There's a light kind of beige tone, and then there's a light mint one, and this that is kind of on the gray side. They're all, I mean, they're the same pattern from the same place, but it's different to see them on the screen than physically. So if you're able, a little tip that I can give you is that if you're able to order online some samples, that is great, because then you can actually touch them, you can feel them, see what their finish is, and put them against the walls, see how they look on like during the different lights during the day. And then if you like, and then depending on what you're looking for example, with this scheme, I think that the one with the mint tone would look great with these. And then finally, about deciding on the paint of the walls, because let's say I want one wall to have wallpaper but the other one's not to. So then you just grab one of these from, there's different vendors that they provide different kinds depending on the brands and the finish that you're looking for. And then again, a little tip is order samples, paint them, put them on the wall, and just live with them for a day or two. Just see them through the different lights and see what you get from them, and if you like them or not, because at the end of the day, it is you that's going to be living there. And one thing is to see them here, for example. I mean, it's great like to see all the different options that you have, but it's actually very small, the area of the color, and again, it varies, and you can definitely see a difference when you paint a bigger area than when it's just a little space like this. So that's my tip. I hope you have enjoyed it, and take care. Thank you for listening.